Speaking of doing it, OnePlus and Oppo they've revealed their secret partnership.
Shocker.
Yeah, which is like everybody knew this already, but now they're ready to make it official. What is that? They used to do it on Facebook, like in a relationship, where you make it official. You would if you were dating somebody, you would change this. It's not a status.
I thought it was status.
Is it a status? I don't remember.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah. So they are officially a team at this point, and there were some signs that it was becoming more like this with the way that the president, CEO, Pete Lau, he had been kind of doing work in both places, and we had increasingly seen similarities between Oppo devices and OnePlus devices, and it was like, hey, wait a minute, what's what, who's what's the plan? And then OnePlus branching like crazy with all the Nord products, and you were like, where is this all going? Anyway, here's the quote. To better maximize resources and further position OnePlus for growth, we are in the process of further integrating some R&D capabilities with O+. O+ is supposedly the company that's housing both Oppo and OnePlus and Realme. But they call O+ a long-term investor, however you want to perceive that. OnePlus will continue operating independently and working to deliver the best possible user experience for existing and future OnePlus users. So OnePlus CEO Pete Lau happens to also be the SVP at O+, which is the bigger company, the investor in this variety of brands, and he oversees synergy and product planning at Oppo and OnePlus. So that's a lot of crossover. I mean, if your top executive is working on both brands, maybe it is better. I don't know, because now it could go one of two ways. Either you have even more crossover and these devices increasingly become similar, or having these prominent positions at both places, you ensure that there's a unique identity to each brand because you're involved in both and not necessarily having them compete against each other.
Right.
It's just a thought. But anyway, they've gone ahead and made that relationship official.